Hello again, everybody. The brush we're going to look at now is called Leaves Big Bold. And this makes a bolder dab than what the previous brush did. I left the previous brush on here so we can see the difference between the two brushes. I normally don't do it this way. We're normally uh, demonstrating one brush at a time, but these brushes are so closely uh, designed that I thought that you would want to see them. Now, of course, you can increase the dab on both of these brushes if you're wanting a bigger dab or a smaller dab. Varying the size of the dab is probably a good idea. Okay, now to highlight that, you could either uh, just pick a highlight color and start highlighting. That's a little too strong, maybe. Seemed like it at the time. Or you can turn on Preserve Transparency, which will only let you paint on top of the paint that's already on that layer. So you can see there, see I'm not able to paint outside of the area here where we've already painted. See, I can't even paint on that. That's on a different layer. That everything there's on a different layer, other than these leaves we just put on. So that makes it handy if you're not wanting to increase the amount of leaves. If you're wanting to keep it really loose. Otherwise, you can turn that off and then highlight whatever you want to highlight. So that is that brush, and I really, really like the way those leaves look. You can't believe how long. I think I've mentioned this, that I started on these brushes last year. The day after I got Painter, the 2018, the day that I got Painter 2018, I played with it for a little bit and I said, I've got to build brushes. And the day after, I started building brushes. And this brush, the leaves big and big bold, these two brushes have been the hardest ones to do because I never could get a leaf that that looked like a leaf but was still just generic. That, I said, oh, that's an oak leaf. Well, I didn't want an oak leaf. I wanted just a general leaf that looked, relatively convincing. And so I think that I'm real pleased with this, and I hope you all are too. So that's those two brushes. And I really appreciate everyone buying the course. Tell all your friends and neighbors, get them to buy it too, even if they don't have Painter. Just get them to buy the brushes. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. I forgot to add on this big bold brush what the adjustments are, but by now you should probably already know. Its angle and squeeze are the big adjustments for this brush, and then the dab stencil. That's the two big adjustments for that brush. Okay, thank you all for watching. Bye.